In this video, I'll show you how you can disable power saving mode on your OnePlus Watch 4. Now there are two ways you can do this. So the first one is by simply accessing the mode settings on your OnePlus Watch 4. So all you have to do is swipe down from the watch face. Swipe down to access the quick control center and then tap on settings. And then within the settings, select modes. And then from here, as you can see, power saving mode is enabled. So if you want to turn it off, simply select smart mode and then tap on enable, and that will disable power saving mode on your OnePlus Watch 4. So give it a few seconds for it to enter the smart mode. And there you go. You have successfully exited power saving mode. Now, another way you can do this is by simply plugging in your charger. So let's say, for instance, you're in power saving mode. So let me just enable it back. So if you're in power saving mode, if you plug in a charger, it will automatically exit power saving. So I have a charger right here. Let me just connect it and then connect the watch to the charger. And that should automatically disable power saving mode, as you can see. So those are the two ways of which you can exit or turn off power saving mode on your OnePlus Watch 4. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.